Crop Metrics bringing you another weekly irrigation info droplet. Today we'll be discussing some of the latest technology we have added to our mobile app, Predicted Irrigations. My name's Sheldon Alt. It's early September. Many of us are thinking about winding the season down with regards to irrigation, and harvest is right around the corner. You must think even as we approach full dent on some of our corn crops, that crop is still going to need roughly 5 inches of water to finish out the season. When I think of last irrigations, some things really come to my mind. Number one, the timing of the last irrigation can be just as important as the first. Making sure we have enough water to finish the crop, yet allow for favorable harvest conditions. We don't want to leave that field full and go in there with our grain carts and combines and cause a lot of compaction and ruts. Good stands in profit. If we don't need to send that pivot around one more time, why should we? That's just costing us money. It is extremely important to know your roots and know how much plant available water your roots actually have. How much is left in your tank? Are you clear and empty? Might you need to add a little water as your corn starts to dent to make it to the end? Or do you have enough? Can you make it to the end? These are very important questions one must ask and think about as you're thinking about scheduling your final irrigation pass. As the crop approaches this refill point, we can forecast and predict when irrigations will need to take place. This is an automatic feature on our brand new mobile app. You can clearly see here that our forecasted soil moisture correlates with our forecasted irrigation events, helping you take some of the guesswork out of that last and final irrigation, ensuring for favorable harvest conditions and allowing you to capture any additional profit at the end of the year. This has been another weekly irrigation info droplet brought to you by Crop Metrics, a company focused on helping growers irrigate confidently, sustainably, and profitably.